Today I'm going to use knives and a hatchet and a saw that I use in the everyday life that I am out here. First is the hatchet, and this is the cold steel trenching tool. I blunted the end of the trenching tool when I was chopping out ice on the river to get water. It doesn't bother me much, but the hatchet part of it, it's got a good edge on it. Cold steel is still a good company, I think. And let's see, you can see how good that one is. Okay, now this is the knife that I got given to me. It's made by the Ontario Knife Company, and it's an old hickory. Can't find a better butcher knife. They have carbon steel, and they'll sharpen. They'll get you can put an edge on them way easier when they're a little bit dull. That one right there, I'm going to build a sheath for it. This one here is called the Extreme. Okay, nice grip handle. Not sure what kind of steel it has, but I'm pretty sure it's stainless. Once you lose an edge on stainless, it's hard to get it back on there. But it's got a sheath with it here, and for all around bushcrafted knife, and very inexpensive. I think it's a good knife to have. Okay, now here is my outdoor edge razor light EDC. You can actually, it has stainless steel, surgical steel blades. You can push this little button in over here, take the blade off. You can actually buy extra blades for them to locks into place. Still get it there. It's great for field dressing deer, elk, bear, whatever you might field dress. That way, if your blade dulls in the middle of it, you can take the blade off and interchange blades. This is a knife that I use every day. It's an old Schrade, old timer, has 3 blades. I use this blade every day. It's carbon steel, still made in Henryville, New York. Now, for a saw, I use just this inexpensive folding saw. A lot of them, hunter specialty, stuff like that. Little button. It's right here. 2-inch diameter wood right there. So that's what I have for you. You can like, comment, subscribe, share. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll answer them. Thank you.